Hello praisers and savers, my name is Sandy and welcome back to my channel. Today we'll be heading into Publix. The date is January the 11th and these sales run until January the 17th. Everything that you see in this video is either going to be a digital coupon, a printable coupon, or a rebate item. We will be utilizing the Publix couponing portion of their app today, as well as coupons.com app and Ibotta. If you are not already subscribed to my YouTube channel, go ahead and click that subscribe button and also that notification bell to all so you know when all of my videos are coming up. Also, please join me on my various platforms like Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok. I would love to have you there. As always, there is a printable breakdown in the description box. You can either print it off or you can take your phone and open it up in the store. So you're able to utilize all these deals without writing anything down. So in this haul today, I was able to get every single item that you see for $1.75 each. So let's go ahead and get started on some deals. Hey praisers and savers, we're heading into Publix to get some great deals. Everything is digital and we're also going to be using Ibotta to get some cash back. So let's go ahead and get started on some awesome deals. So the first thing I picked up was this Smithfield bacon. My kids love the Applewood smoked bacon. It wasn't on my list, but who can pass up an amazing bacon deal? So these are usually $8.23 each, but they are buy one, get one free this week. So if you were to buy one, it would be $4.12 each. I tell you guys, bacon and eggs, those type of things that would be cheap meals have become so expensive. And if you've noticed on here, the package is 16 ounces. They've decreased the amount of in the package. Usually it's a lot bigger than this. So I guess I'll just have to deal with it and get me some good deals on bacon. The next thing is going to be on these Thomas bagels. My kiddos do love these Thomas bagels. Now they're usually $5.49 each. But like I said, they are BOGO. So these would be $2.75 each. Now, previously, a couple videos back, we got some great deals on cream cheese. So we stocked up on those cream cheese blocks so we can save them for these Thomas bagels that we're going to be using for breakfast this week. So lots of breakfast items in the video today. So $2.75. No coupons needed on the Thomas bagels. Now, the next thing that I picked up was this coral reef juice. Now, at first, I was like, okay, some people have a $1 coupon on their Publix app. I do not have this $1 coupon, so check your Publix app. You may have it. But this coral reef juice is high. It's $5.99. And it's buy one, get one free, so it'll be $3 each. If you do have that $1 coupon, it will bring it down to $2. Orange juice was something that, as well as the prices have gone up. I compared prices on the Florida's Natural and Tropicana. This was still a cheaper deal, even without coupons. I laughed because it says small batch on the bottle. That reminds me of some of the bourbon that my husband likes to drink, small batch bourbon. Kind of funny. So the next thing are these potatoes. I love a yellow potato, and these are the tiny ones, the bite-sized potatoes. I love to cook these, cut them in half, and put them in a baking dish with a lot of butter and salt and pepper and eat them. So these are the organic ones. And at first, when I walked up, I look at them, okay, these are organic ones. They're buy one, get one free for $4.99. I'm thinking, well, maybe I'll get the regular ones that are not organic, and maybe that will be even cheaper. However, these were cheaper than the normal ones. So these were buy one, get one free, making them $2.50 each. And the normal ones that are not organic are still $4.99. So this is a better deal. And you saw this, the little shelf thing there is cleared out. Now, guys, I usually buy my cereal at CVS, but we have a great deal on the General Mills cereal with Ibotta and some coupons. So our total for each one of these is going to be $1.13. So what you'll do is you'll pick up 2 of the boxes of the General Mills cereal. I picked up a Cinnamon Toast Crunch and a Reese's Puff. Your total when you pick up those 2 boxes is going to be $4.26. Sorry, 25 cents when you pick up 2. There is a $1 coupon on the Publix app. If you do not have that $1 coupon, there's a $1 coupon on the coupons.com app, but you should have the $1 coupon on the Publix app. In addition, you have a $1 Ibotta. So you're able to get all of that cereal with the $1 coupon and the $1 Ibotta for $2.26 or $1.13 each. As you know how I am, when chicken broth and vegetable broth and beef broth is on sale, you know I am picking it up. This stuff can be pricey. We use a ton of this in our house to make stews and stock and all kinds of different things. So this College Inn broth is $2.79, but we're going to pay just $1.40 because it's buy one, get one free. This is a no coupons needed deal, so you don't have to worry about getting any coupons, and go ahead and stock up on this. $1.40 is a pretty awesome deal. This is also equivalent to how much I pay for it at Kroger, and Kroger is usually, you know, a very nice cost comparison store. So yeah, $1.40 for chicken broth, definitely going to pick that up. Now the next thing I got was this Jif peanut butter. At first I wasn't going to get it, but then I looked at it. This is the 28-ounce jar. These are the large jars of peanut butter. And if you are a person that donates to the food bank, this would be a great thing to donate. These are $5.79 each, but because they're buy one, get one free, is $2.90. I do want to tell you that even if you get this jar, there is a $1 coupon on the coupons app for the Squeeze Jif. So check your shelf to see if the Squeeze Jif is on BOGO, so you can use that coupon from the coupons.com app. That coupon from the coupons.com app is a $1 coupon. So if that works, it will be $1.90 for this large thing of peanut butter. But like I said, I didn't pick it up. I didn't check to see if the Squeeze Jif was in the store. I totally forgot. But yeah, $2.90 for this large thing of peanut butter. Definitely a deal. So love when the hunts are on sale. These are usually $1.31. And they're buy one, get one free right now. So each can is 66 cents each. This is a great stock up price if you want to stock up on the tomato paste, the sauce, the diced tomatoes, the whole tomatoes, any of those. Great stock up price. No coupons needed on the deal. You can see that the shelf was already cleared a little bit of a lot of the tomato cans because it is such a great deal. But yes, 66 cents for this. Great thing to make with soups. Go ahead and stock up on it right now. Now the next thing is going to be a Publix freebie. This is the Yakult probiotic drink. Now this is like a yogurt drink. My kids love these. They have these with the yogurt items. So you can find it with kind of like the Go-Gurt, the squeezy yogurt. But these are $3.39 each. It is a 5-pack. And if you go on your Publix app, there is a Publix coupon for a free 5-pack. So it makes it totally free. Awesome deal. No problems at all. It came off of my receipt at the checkout. Guys, remember when you're checking out at Publix and you use your Publix app, just put your phone number in and it'll populate your coupons for you at Publix. Now, this is an odd one, but this is my deal today because this is something different. And I'm assuming because this is a it's January and people are on their weight loss journey, that sort of thing. But these Jimmy Dean Delights look super yummy, and they're usually $7.49. Super pricey. I would not pay $7.49 for a box of those, but they are buy one, get one free. So it will make each box $3.75. Now, there are a variety of Jimmy Dean Delights on the Ibotta app. There's 3 different kinds. Just make sure you scan, because I initially went and got the Delights Eggwich, but those were not on the Ibotta app. As you can see, this other one was, but there's 3 different kinds, and there's $1.25 coming back. So just, scan the ones you like, see if you can get it. And you can do this deal up to 5 times. So this is a great stock up item. If you do like these, you can go ahead and get up to 5. And so if they're $3.75 with the BOGO, and then you have $1.25 back on Ibotta, it'll make each box just $2.50. So that's $5 in savings. Amazing deal. If you're not part of Ibotta, you definitely need to jump on this. Here's my referral code and the steps that you need to take to get your Ibotta subscription. It is free. When you sign up, you get $10 and I get $10 as well. In addition to Ibotta, you might want to download Fetch. It is an easy way. You just scan your receipts and you're able to get back money on those as well. So the referral code for that is listed in step 1. So go ahead and check those out.